Hi all, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another episode of Culinary Feast. I hope you all are doing great. Are you looking for a simple, healthy and comforting meal? Let's make this easy and delicious moong dal, a classic Indian lentil dish that's ready in no time. To begin with, I have already rinsed a 1 cup of moong dal thoroughly in water and soaked it for an hour. For this recipe, we need salt as per taste, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, quarter teaspoon of cumin powder, quarter teaspoon garam masala powder, quarter teaspoon of fennel seed powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon kasuri methi leaves and 2 green chilies. All of these are the necessary spice powders for this recipe. Now it's time to arrange the remaining ingredients as well. For this, we would require half a teaspoon of garlic paste, 2 chopped onions, 1 chopped tomato, 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves and 1 chopped capsicum as well. Take a pressure cooker and add 100 grams of oil or ghee into it. Once that the oil is heated, add the chopped onions. Saute the onions until they turn translucent. It's time to add the garlic paste into it. I'm also adding cumin powder and fennel seed powder at this point. Now adding the slit green chilies and tomatoes as well. Give it a good mix and wait till the tomatoes turn slightly mushy. Now you can add the kasuri methi leaves and the soaked moong dal as well. At this point, you can also add the remaining spice powders along with some salt. Meanwhile, you can also add the chopped capsicum and coriander leaves as well. Adding capsicum is totally optional. Add 3 cups of water into it and mix it well. Now you can pressure cook the moong dal for up to 2 whistles. Once done, just open the lid and combine everything together. You will notice that the moong dal has become very soft and mushy. Now it's time to transfer to a serving bowl. Once that's done, garnish it with few coriander leaves as well. Now here I'm cracking some eggs in order to have along with the moong dal. You can even have it as it is, but I prefer having moong dal along with sunny side up eggs. This is my style of having the moong dal. Just try it and let me know in the comments below if you liked it or not. So as you can see, I have transferred the moong dal and the eggs as well into the plate. So that's it for the creamy, flavorful moong dal, perfect to pair with rice, roti or pulkas. Do subscribe for more interesting recipes.